What's up, people? What's up? Morning, guys. Today we're making special original style spaghetti. I'm your chef for today. I am Chef Kenneth Asis, and I'll teach you how to make a simple original style spaghetti on my own. So keep watching and let's start. These are my ingredients. First, I have here an original style tomato sauce. Of course, pasta. At cheese, I divided it into two. The half is for my finishing and the half is for, I'll mix it on my sauce. The next is a hot dog. And of course, onion, garlic, corned beef, salt, oil of course, and condensed milk. Actually, I didn't plan to put a condensed milk in my spaghetti, but Marvel Joy said that it is more delicious if I add uncondensed milk. So I think that should be all, and we're going to start now. So first, you need to cook your pasta. So first, of course, you need water. Then your pasta. In cooking your pasta, you need to add oil so that it won't combine each other. Yeah, put an oil. Put an oil. The next, add a salt. Wala na akong ibuhat. Yan.
A few moments later.
Higit lang, napakuna.
Kagura daw eh. Awat ang pana sabi. Ano ba ako trabaho sa Jollibee? Kaya hindi ka kabaluan ng spaghetti. Idea, kabalo ko sa idea sa pagluto sa spaghetti, pero di ko kabalo sa mga teknik anak. Di mo siyang hugasan para hindi siya magpikit. Gabi kayo siya kainit. It's very hot. Guys, credit tayo sa atong videographer, si Miss Chloe Macabinlar. Huwag sa atong director, nga wala siya diri karon.
Director nga wala diri karon.
Si Dexy. Dexy. Ay, sino yun?
Gar.
Onion first. Yan. Saute your onion. After 30 seconds, saute your garlic. Saute. Yan. Add your corned beef.
Ako nga nang kat-kat. Choy!
Sigaw-sigaw. Nana siya ang mga pro. Pro gani ka nga chef. Pasiga-siga ganun mo kilid. Next is your ketchup. Add your tomato sauce.
Nga ero.
Tagal-tagal doon siya. Excited sad.
Uy, baka hindi mo ha.
Yay! Slice the hot dog. Add the hot dog. And of course, your pasta. Oops. Nagdagan aking pasta na. Then, mix it. Hilak lang sa aso. Then, butan na nato tong cheese. Maulan na. Now, let's taste it. Super delicious. Ano na ba?
Kanina, naging-ikot mo niya sa sala, ho. Kaya namok, gibuno ko na ko niya sa kanang kasiganan. Ano gabi? Palusan ko siya. Trabaho ba? Takam. Ikaw niya, ano naman? Otro na. Ano na may istorya? Wala niya nagtaba.